In today's session, we'll know how to solve any given recurrent equation by means of backward substitution method. As the name itself suggests that any value, if we again back apply to the given equation, we'll call it as a backward substitution method. So the equation that is given is Tn is equal to 2Tn by 2 plus n, and the base value is T of 1 is equal to 1. We have to find the solution using the backward substitution method. So let us take the same equation that is there, that is T of n is equal to 2T n by 2 plus n. So when we find the value of T of n by 2, so how does it look? So T of n by 2 will be equal to, if we want to put the value for the given equation. Let's say if I take equation this as 1. So how does this look? It will be like 2 into T of, again instead of n we will reframe it as n by 2. So wherever n is there, we will replace it by n by 2. So which will look like n by 2 square plus, in place of n, we will again replace it to n by 2. So when we back substitute this to the given equation, it will be like T of n be equal to 2 into 2 of T n by 2 the whole square plus n by 2 plus n, right? Which will be further equal to 2 square of T n by 2 square plus 2n by 2 plus n will be as it is. So here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So further it will be equal to 2 square of T n by 2 square plus 2n by 2n. If I want to put the value of n by 2 square to the first equation, it would be like 2 square into T of, what it will be? It will be T of n by 2 cube plus, it will be again n by, in place of n we will replace it by n by 2 square plus, I keep 2n as it is. So that will be equal to, if I put the value inside the 2 square, if I multiply with this, it will be what? 2 square, okay, it will be 2 cube into T of n by 2 cube plus 2 square into n by 2 square. So 2 square will get cancelled, plus 2n will remain as it is. Fine. So 2 into T of n by 2 cube plus n by 2 square, it's what the formula it says, like the T of n is equal to 2Tn plus n by 2 plus n. So whatever I replace with the given value, so finally the general pattern will look like 2 to the power of k into T of n by 2 to the power of k plus k of n. Fine. So if I just take that general pattern, that is equal to 2 to the power of k into T of n by 2 to the power of k plus k times of n. We already know that our base value says that t of 1 is equal to 1. So we have to change this particular general pattern or this equation what is there, okay, into t of 1. Instead of n by 2 to the power of k, we should make it as t of 1 so that we can substitute the value of base that is there. So how do we do that? We have to take n by 2 to the power of k being equal to 1. In that case, what will happen? 2 to the power of k will be equal to n, right? So 2 to the power of k will be equal to n, and we can use it in the equation as well. Then applying log of base 2 to both the sides, it will end me to k being equal to, log base of n. So taking all this into consideration, so the general pattern or the equation 2 will become, what is 2 to the power of k? It is n, and as already taken n by 2 to the power of k as 1, so n into t of 1 plus, what is k? K is equal to log n to base 2 into, what is n? N is, what is n taken as? The n is taken as 2 to the power of k, right? So n is replaced as 2 to the power of k. 2 to the power of k. Fine. So it is replaced as 2 to the power of k. Now, so this will become, t of 1 will become n, okay, plus. It is fine if you replace n with 2 to the power of k, or you can keep it as it is. It is better, we will keep it as it is. So it is n plus n into log n to the base 2. So if you try to put the value, if you try to put some value of, let's say if you take a value as 4, so n is 4, and what will n log 2n will change to? It will be 4 into log 2 of 4, which is equal to what? It will be equal to 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. So among these two values, this particular value is ending me to the larger value chances. So finally we will write it as t of n is equal to big O of n log n. You can mention the base value, or you need not to mention. So this is the result of the given problem. So how do we do the back substitution method? Any given question, we will try to find the value that is there in the right hand side and again try to apply back to the given equation. Similarly, to all the possible values of t of the n or t of n by 2, it can be anything, we will try to add that value back to the given equation in order to find the solution. Thank you so much.